everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a beautiful frock dress. To design this frock I'm going to use this printed border. For that, first I'm going to do the cutting of front part of the dress. Here I take two pieces of printed border fabric that I'm going to use to make a borders of the front of the dress. The length of this piece of fabric is 13.5 inch and the width is 6 inch. I'm going to do a middle seam to join these both pieces together. Now I'm going to cut the sleeve. The width of the shoulder is 9 inch and the length of the sleeve is 16 inch. Here I'm not doing any cutting for the shoulder hole. Now I'm going to do the cutting for the kalees, 2 for front and 2 for the back. I cut the kalees off camera, but I'm going to show you on a piece of paper. To cut the kalees, I take a piece of fabric which is 22 inch in length and 20 inch in width. Fold the fabric into 2 layers and at one side mark at 4 inches. Then same on the other side, mark at 4 inches. Join both mark and cut alongside the mark. That will give you 4 kalees, 2 for front and 2 for the back. To cut the front bottom middle panel, here I take a piece of fabric. The width of this fabric is 20 inches. That I will show you how to attach. Here I take another piece of fabric which is the middle back panel of the dress. The width of this fabric is 12 inch and the length is 29 inches. Now cut the neckline. Place the back middle panel and the front borders panel on top of each other and do the marking for the neckline. Back neckline should be 1 inch less deep than the front. Do the middle seam at the front of the borders, leaving about 2 inch. Now hem this opening. Attach front and back middle panel from the shoulder line. Here I am using 2 fabric strips to make a collar for the neckline. The width of this putty is about 2 inch. make a collar, I'm not using any interfacing. attach the first strip of fabric to the neckline. Turn the right side over and place the other strip of fabric on top. Here I am doing a round shape, attaching the second putty. Sew all the way and do the same thing on the other end. Cut the extra fabric and turn the right side out. Press it. Do a top stitch to close the collar putty. Now I am going to attach the bottom part of the middle panel to the borders. Attaching this panel, do the pleats. The middle panel of both front and back is ready. Here I am using a printed fabric to hem the sleeve. Then I am going to attach the kalees to the sleeve. For designing, I am attaching this white lace. Attach kalees to the shoulder part of the sleeve, one at the front side and the other at the back of the sleeve. Make sure keep the straight side toward the middle panel and the abaya side toward the side seam of the dress. Now at the same time I'm going to attach these sleeves and the kalii to the middle panel of the dress. Hold the sleeve from the middle, place it on the shoulder seam and do a top stitch to attach this to the middle panel. After attaching kalees and sleeve to the middle panel, do the side seam of the dress. Here I attach both sleeve. Now I am going to attach this border at the bottom of the dress. So this is the finished look of the dress. Here I attach 3 tassels in the middle of the borders. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. I see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.